guys, it's Star the Flippin' Hippo. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel at Flippin' Hippos. Today is Wednesday, October 31st, which means it is Halloween. So happy Halloween to everybody. It is my favorite day of the year and my favorite holiday. Keith and I are busy right now catching up. We just got back last evening from St. Augustine, Florida. We went down for an extended weekend to do the sights and the ghost tours and visit with our friends, Casey the Rockstar Flipper, Sydney L, Colleen, and of course Casey's lovely fiance, Caitlin. We had a fantastic weekend, and I will have tons and tons of videos coming to you guys of the ghost tours and the other places we visited. I did not do a What Sold video on Monday night, as I usually do, because we were still on our workcation. I call it a workcation. But I am back, and I just want to kind of show you guys some of the stuff that we sold while we were in Florida, to show you that even when your store is on vacation or you have the extended handling time, you can still sell. You're not going to sell as much as you would were you at home cranking out listings every day and sharing your Posh Closet and listing and having, you know, a one day or a same day handling time. Obviously, being on vacation and the extended handling time will slow your sales down. But we did still sell quite a bit while we were gone, so we're pretty happy with that. We did put our store completely on vacation, and we had a 5-day handling time at the beginning, and then we moved the handling time back as the days went by. But what we did do differently than when we went to eBay Open in July, we ran a 30% store-wide sale on all of our items, and our vacation message that popped up that our buyers would have seen basically said that we were on vacation until October 31st. Anything that was bought or purchased would not be shipped until today, October 31st. And so we extended or said, please enjoy a 30% offer or 30% store-wide savings for your patience and our extended handling time. And it worked. We did a little bit better this time than we did when we were in Vegas. We sold a little bit more. I'm not sure if it was the message or if it was having the 30% off store-wide. People do like bigger, larger sales with more of a percent off, but having that personalized message and, you know, kind of like a thank you for being patient with our handling time, you get an extended or a bigger discount. So I'm not sure, but it worked. We did really well as far as being on vacation. We, at a week out on our normal 0.5% sell-through rate that we do expect to see, or a little bit higher, should have been at like 70 items, and we're right around 35. I think we may be getting closer to 40. A couple things are selling today, and we don't ship until 2. So we're counting last Wednesday at 2, and then until today at 2, because we shipped last Wednesday at 2, and then we put everything on the extended handling and vacation time. So it's like 1 week's worth of stuff. We should have 70 packages. Typically, we would have 70 packages on our sell-through rate or more because of a weekend. But having 35, I think, like I said, we're getting closer to 40. When we do our shipping today, I'll have the actual number of packages and be able to put that on Instagram for you guys. But being at half of where we should be, having had been on vacation with the 5-day handling time, we are absolutely okay with that. So I'm going to show you some of the things, the highlights that sold while we were gone. And just keep in mind that some of these items did go for a little bit lower than we had intended due to the 30% off. And additionally, we did accept some best offers that normally we probably wouldn't accept or would try to counter just a little bit higher. But we wanted to keep things rolling. We wanted to keep the store active. We wanted to keep making sales. So some of these items we accepted best offers a little bit lower than we normally would during normal, I guess, normal business hours. But being out there in Florida and wanting to, like I said, we wanted to keep Cassini happy. We wanted to keep the store active. We wanted to keep making money and making sales. We did settle on a couple of these items a little bit lower than we normally would, but it was okay for what was going on in our lives, just to keep everything moving. So let's just jump right on in here. You guys have been staring at this while I talk. This is a Harley Davidson pig. He's got a cute hat and a cute little leather vest. He was 59 cents at our local honey pot thrift. So he's been around for a while. I don't quite remember how long he's been listed. I know he was around for some time before he was listed. Most of you know I am guilty of having a very, very large plushie death pile. But he did sell for $17.50. I probably wanted more like $20 for him, but he was on the 30% off, and that's okay. I sold my Eeyore 17-inch plush. I kind of wanted more towards $20 for him, and he went for $17.50 on the 30% off. He was part of that large haul I got from that yard sale over the summer when I came home with all the stuff that was Disney. So he was approximately 77 cents. My Hallmark Disney Donald Duck 17-inch plush Easter Bunny. This is really cute. If you pick him up by his ears, he complains and yells that you're hurting him. It says, "Don't pick me up by my ears." And then if you push him, he dances and sings. I had all that information in here. He waddles and sings. Polly Wally Doodle. Wow, say that 3 times fast. And then if you pick him up by his ears, he gets mad. He does work. He was part of a yard sale haul. I probably paid like $1 for him total, maybe a little bit less. I wanted more like $25 for him, but $21.87 on the sale is good. These New York & Company women's jeans, I did take a best offer of 23, so they were on sale for $24.50 with the 30% off. They are new with tags. New York & Company is not, you know, the best brand for jeans, but these were new with tags and 99 cents when I purchased them. So the 99 cents for new with tags was good to me. I wanted more like maybe 28 for these, but 23 is okay. I'll take it. This is a Say What women's faux leather jacket. Again, Say What is not a great brand, but this jacket was just too cute. You know that I sometimes tell you guys it's not just about brand, sometimes it's about style. With men's shirts, sometimes it's about the graphics on the shirt. It's about how cute an item is. It doesn't always have to be about brand. Something this, I mean, look at how cute this jacket is. It was 99 cents, so I picked it up. I wanted more like $30 for this, but I took a best offer of $23 off of the $26.25 it was on sale for. It goes in a padded flat, so it's not the best flip, but it kept things moving and we kept selling stuff. Here's a Not Your Daughter's jeans. These I wanted like $25 for, and they went for $21.87 on the 30% off sale. And I sold 2 of these on eBay. Same deal. They both went for $21.87, 30% off. Different buyers. And then I sold another pair on Posh while we were away. So these Not Your Daughter's jeans are moving pretty quickly for us. I paid, oops, I'm sorry. I paid 99 cents for each of these pairs of jeans. These Maurice's jeans were 99 cents. Maurice's, again, is not that great of a brand. I picked them up because I liked the way they looked. They had the nice flare legs, and they were a larger size, which does really well. And they went for $21.87 on that 30% off sale. I wanted more like $25, but for 99 cents for a pair of jeans to flip them into $21.87 while I'm on vacation, hey, I will take it. Here are my Nautica pants, y'all. These were Nautica, again, just like a high-end mall brand or whatever. But I did pay 99 cents for these. They were new with tags, and they were a cashmere wool blend. And they've been around since April. I priced them pretty high. So they've been around since April. So I either had them priced too high. You can see I had them starting at $87.62 off of the tag. Or, you know, listing wool cashmere pants in April, they're going to sit because summer's hot and people aren't looking for these types of pants. But they've been around long enough that when an offer came in of $50, I just accepted it. So these did flip for $50. 99 cents into $50, I will take it, absolutely. And then I sold a pair of my silver jeans. I took a best offer of $33 on these. I really wanted more towards the $40, but like I said at the beginning of this video, we did accept some of the offers that we normally wouldn't and let things go for a couple dollars less than we would typically try for, just to keep activity in the store while we were away and keep selling. So these did go for $33. And then, ooh, a bonanza sale, guys. Check that out. That like happens never. And then this Mickey Mouse globe, it went for $18 with free shipping. It was really light. It's really lightweight. It's very small. This shipped out last Wednesday. So this actually sold in the last week, but right before we left, we shipped this out last Wednesday. It's really tiny. It's like a 3-inch tall. It was first class. It just went in a little tiny box, and we got it at a yard sale for $1. So I will take 18 for that because I paid $1. So there's the highlights of what sold while we were in Florida, and what we learned this time around versus eBay open in July. If you're going to go away for an extended period of time and have your store on vacation, you might want to run a little bit higher of a sale than you normally do, and just be a little more willing to accept some offers, a couple bucks lower than you normally would, and you can keep stuff moving, keep your store active, and keep making sales while you're away. We did have a total of 6 sales on Posh, by the way, in case anyone was curious how our Posh went. And that's actually pretty amazing in and of itself. Posh typically only works if you're actively sharing and listing every day. The last time our store had, our closet on Posh had any items added or was shared was last Wednesday, and we still sold 6 items. So that was pretty good too. So, yeah, we sold 6 items on Posh without touching it at all. And then again, we learned on eBay to just be a little bit more willing to give stuff up for a couple bucks less than normal, just so you can come home to some sales. And then it's not that hard to get your eBay up and active again. You can get listings in and get it moving again. So I'll keep you guys updated on how that goes. And again, like I said, at 2 o'clock today, or more like 3 o'clock or 4, I'll get a picture up on Instagram of our packages and let you know exactly how many sold. It is going to be encompassing exactly 1 week. The last time we shipped was last Wednesday, and we'll ship today. We do it around 2:30, and I usually get the pictures up by 4. So you guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know how your week was. I was pretty absent from social media and YouTube the past week. I was just immersing myself in my experiences in Florida, but let me know below how things have been going for you guys. Do me a favor, smash the like button if you would. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to our channel and help us feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We're at Flippin' Hippos. Until next time, you guys have a good night.